What are the potential risks of installing Android TV on a Samsung Smart TV?
Hey there! In this video, we'll discuss the potential risks of installing Android TV on a Samsung Smart TV. It's important to be aware of these risks to ensure your TV operates smoothly and your data remains secure.
Can I install Android TV on my Samsung Smart TV?
Samsung Smart TVs generally run on their proprietary operating system, Tizen. Android TV, on the other hand, is designed for devices specifically running the Android operating system. While it might be tempting to install Android TV on your Samsung Smart TV, there are some risks involved.
What are the compatibility risks?
One of the main risks of installing Android TV on a Samsung Smart TV is compatibility issues. Samsung Smart TVs are designed to work seamlessly with Tizen, and installing Android TV might cause performance issues, crashes, or even render your TV unusable.
What about warranty and support risks?
Another important risk to consider is that modifying your TV software could void your warranty. Samsung may not provide support or repair services for TVs that have been tampered with or altered, leaving you on your own if any issues arise.
How could this impact my data and privacy?
Installing Android TV on your Samsung Smart TV might also compromise your data and privacy. Since you'll be using an unofficial method, there's a risk of installing malicious software or inadvertently granting access to your personal data. This could lead to data breaches, identity theft, or unauthorized access to your connected devices.
What if the installation process goes wrong?
Finally, there's always a risk that the installation process could go wrong. You could potentially brick your TV, rendering it completely inoperable, or encounter errors that can't be easily fixed. This could lead to costly repairs or even the need to replace your TV entirely. In conclusion, while it might be tempting to install Android TV on your Samsung Smart TV, the potential risks outweigh the benefits. It's best to stick with the Tizen operating system and enjoy your TV as it was intended. If you're looking for an Android TV experience, consider purchasing a dedicated Android TV device or a TV that comes with Android TV pre-installed. Stay safe and happy watching!